In this section, we will learn how to install Tkinter on your system. We will start with the installation of Tkinter on Windows, and then I will show you how to install Tkinter on Mac and Linux operating systems. While installing Python on Windows, if you have clicked on install now, that means you already have Tkinter installed on your system. Otherwise, if you have clicked on customize the installation and you have manually deselected this checkbox, then in that case you need to install it. So let me show you how you can install it on the system where Python is already installed. To do that, you need to check the version of Python installed on your system. Type python --version. Now you have to download the same version of Python on your system. So go to python.org. Under downloads, click on Windows, and here you will be able to see all the versions of Python. You need to install the same version that is installed on your system. So in my case it is 3.10.1. So I will click on this Windows installer 64-bit. Once the file is downloaded, click to start the wizard. On that wizard, since you already have Python installed, it will show you three options: modify, repair and uninstall. Click on modify, and here you have to check this checkbox if it is already not checked, and then click on next. And then you need to click on install button, and then Tkinter will be installed on your Windows 10 operating system. Now to check that, you can type python -m Tkinter. So if you are seeing this kind of interface, that means Tkinter is installed on your system. Unix-based operating systems like Mac and Linux have different package managers for various distributions like Debian, RPM, Arch, Brew, etc. So for Mac, generally it is Brew. So Mac users can type this command on the terminal, and then Tkinter will be installed. If you are a Debian user, then you can follow this command, and so on. With this, we have learned the installation of Tkinter on Windows, Mac and Linux. In the next section, we will talk about the terminologies of Tkinter.